naliligo pa rin. Walking time. It's a sunny autumn day. So naka-t-shirt lang ako. Yan, nagdala ng sweater. So dito tayo. Nagpark ako dyan sa coffee shop. Ito yung dadaanan natin. Madaanan. O dinadaanan. O lagi kong dinadaanan. Sunny, mainit. Grabe. Dito ka pwede mag-bike, mag-romobile, scooter, practice. So it's a big space. And safety. So naka-shorts ang mga tao. Like me. So Pizza. Ganda ng place. Malayo din yung nakaraan ko. From there. Buti na lang madaming mga benches ito. And the rest. So, picture this. Beautiful. So, po na naman makakita ng bench na ilang 1 meter ata. Yes, 1 meter. Upo na naman. Upo na naman. Okay lang. Yun, fresh air from the sea water, from the sea breeze. Lapit ko na another benches there. May madaming benches pa doon. Ayan. So, pag me time ko talaga, unahin ko mag-church. Ayan. So, guys, marami ng ganito tubig. Painom yan. So, every station or it's a drinkable. So, it's in the park. Meron na sila ganito. Ito naman, bus station. Drink. Information basta naka sa pedestrian lane mustap ang mga sakyanan. So ilagit kang palabangon paagihan ka for your safety. So it's open, we go inside the town. The square is still a lot of tourists. So mag-take out lang ako. 11 euro guys. So yan. Card. Medyo pricey ito dito guys. So ito na. But masarap ang kanilang mga sauce. Ito. Fave ko dyan yung salmon burger. Pero ito ako. also here. Thank you so much, bro. So I got now my alcoholic. So, malis na tayo. Doon tayo sa coffee shop. Kasi nga, sa coffee shop, may 3 hours na tayo doon. So, plus may ano, just hindi ka na watch for that naman siyang ganito sa pas namin. So, tapos na ang ating meet time, guys. Alis na tayo. Kasi sarap na matulog. Sarap na matulog. Let's go. Naka 3 hours din ako. So 3 hours tayo. Dito na tayo. Kailangan natin i-insert. Open sesame. Let's go. Hindi ko tasan ko. Ang daming sasakyan, guys. Bakit kailangan tayong mag-ingat? Ayaw matumuturan. My God. Nanapos na ito nga.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop.